Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to focus on the text tool. I didn't explain it well, but let's start. So when I click any place on your canvas and start typing, like I said earlier, it types horizontally. So what I just did there, I just changed the font size. So now I clicked and dragged to create a shape, something like rectangular shape area for the text. So this typing is by drawing the specified area, width and height for the text container. So anything you type here automatically adjusts to the next line once it reaches the border of the specified width. So that's it. So I can also change one or two, maybe like the alignment. This is the chart detached style. That's it detaches the style on that font. So now I can basically edit the font size and I can change the font style too. So now this is the space in between each text. That's the upper bounding area and the lower bounding area. So you can also pause this video and play around with it. That's like the line height we just played around with. So this is the paragraph spacing. You can just play around with the figures. This is auto height, letter spacing. Now this is the font style. We just change it to different fonts. Yes. So this is Montserrat. So this is text align center, text align right, text align left. It also has shortcut commands for Windows and Mac users. So you can do what to make your research and Google shortcut commands in Figma for iOS. And if you're using a Windows system, you go with the shortcut commands too. So this is the alignment, aligning up, down, or center. But we still have a vertical trim, list style, paragraph spacing, truncate text. Also have further alignment section or pane here for the resizing, decoration, and the case, whether it's lowercase, camel case, or uppercase. So we'll come to the layer mode, basically just like what we did earlier before, and the rectangular shape we just worked with. You can change different modes and see how it affects your design.